Cross the river, going to my place. Tucker Bridge is just about falling down. Just be careful walking across it. You know I'd hate to see anybody drown. At the corner, there's a mailbox. You can see my name from the other side. The mail comes by about twice a month now. Now it ain't easy to live a backwood life, but we sing hallelujah in the sweet Lord, sweet by and by. At the church house each Sunday morning, Monday it's that same doggone plow. So come and see me anytime now. Just walk the bridge and turn on Sawmill Road. And don't worry if you're looking for my place, 'cause you can't help but find the only house. And later on in the evening, we'll gather around and listen to Uncle Will. And if you want to, we'll have some coffee, or maybe Papa's brew from Moonshine Hill. But we sing hallelujah in the sweet Lord, sweet by and by. At the church house each Sunday morning, Monday it's that same doggone plow. But we sing hallelujah in the sweet Lord, sweet by and by. At the church house each Sunday morning, Monday it's that same doggone plow. Monday it's that same doggone plow.